Good evening, Boxholm, Iowa. Welcome to the special presentation of Fireworks Vibe in Boxholm. We're going to be shooting off here in a little bit since they get rolling. And speaking of fireworks, Mother Nature is doing her fireworks in Boone. Around burning off some rain showers there, but otherwise not too bad here in Pilot Mound. Clear cloud skies. Temperature's about 70, 73, 74 degrees. Not too bad. Winds are calm, light, variable, about 5 miles per hour. We'll be starting here momentarily, and we'll be kicking off fireworks live here in Boxholm. My name's DJ Wills. I'm with King Cherokee Productions out of Boone. Glad to be with you on this beautiful Saturday evening. Cloudy skies. And we'll be starting off momentarily here pretty soon, live here in Boxholm. I can hear a little bit of music in background, so those of you who joined us here in Boxholm, they had a little celebration here going on today at Boxholm, so that's what happened today. And of course, I think Burt's doghouse was probably busy today as well, so if you have a chance to stop by Burt's doghouse here in Boxholm, I'm pretty sure they were busy as well. Kim Cunningham and their staff, as they're doing a good job for doing this every year for Boxholm. Along with the other sponsor, Boxholm Fire Department puts this on for us. And it takes, and I want to say special thank you to them for putting the fireworks on for us. And it takes a lot of guts and glory and love to do what we do for the communities and small towns. So that's so sponsored by the Boxholm, Iowa Fire Department. And one with another sponsor called Burt's Doghouse in Boxholm. So if you have a chance to check out the Boxholm Fire Department or fireworks, we'll be starting off here in a little bit since they get rolling. Right now, other people playing around a little bit of little fireworks in town. Hear that in the background. One more music going on in the east side of me, so we got a pretty good crowd here tonight. Not too bad. People sitting, walking around, playing around with little fireworks. Oh yeah, we're here live in person, so those of you joining us tonight, come to Boxholm. We're going to be here until the fireworks over, and we'll eventually get started here in a little bit. Once again, thank you to Boxholm Fire for putting this on, and we'll have a good show of fireworks here coming up live here in Boxholm. Other good sponsor is Burt's Doghouse. So if you had a chance to stop by Burt's Doghouse, I'm pretty sure they were busy tonight. Kim Cunningham and the staff, as they continue to make Burt's Doggy House a good place to eat and food and all that. So I think that's what they're doing tonight. And one with their little celebration, so it takes a lot of sponsors to put on celebrations like this in small towns. So, and we're having a good time tonight. Rain is held off a little bit. Like I said, a little bit of cell when I worked at the radar a little bit ago on my phone. A little bit of cell over by Boone, but otherwise nothing major. But rain is probably held off here. But otherwise, we got cloudy skies here. Temperature wise is up 73, 74 degrees. It's been 73 all day here in Boone, and then about like 73 here in Boxholm. So we're going to be starting here momentarily for fireworks, and never will we get kicked off here. Once again, thank you to Boxholm Fire for letting me be here again this year, for letting me film fireworks. sponsored by the Boxholm Fire Department and Burt's Doghouse. So 2 great sponsors put on the fireworks show and a celebration here while we're at Boxholm, Iowa. We got a little bit of traffic out west of us, or north of us, or south of us, but not too bad. It's been coming and going and all that, so there we go. You're watching the special presentation by Fireworks Vibe in Boxholm, Iowa. Once again, you're watching live coverage of the Boxholm Fire Department's fireworks live in person. Once again, you're watching live coverage of the Boxholm Fire Department's fireworks live in person. Of course, this will be put on my YouTube channel later on, and I will post it on Facebook later on the Boxholm, Iowa community page. You're watching live coverage of the special presentation of fireworks live in Boxholm, Iowa, everybody. You're watching live coverage of special presentation of Fireworks Live in the Boxholm, Iowa. Everybody, my name's DJ Wills. Glad with you on this beautiful Saturday evening. Once again, you're watching live coverage of Boxholm, Iowa Fireworks Live in person. You're watching live coverage of Boxholm Fireworks Live in person. Everybody. You can hear the music in the background. Once again, you're watching special coverage live in Boxholm for another edition of Fireworks Live in person. Once again, you're watching live coverage of Boxholm, Iowa fireworks live in person, everybody. Once again, you're watching live coverage of Boxholm Fireworks, sponsored by Burt Stockhouse and Boxholm, Iowa Fire Department. Yay! Sponsored by the Boxholm, Iowa Fire Department. Yay! Once again, thank you to Boxholm Fire for having me doing this again every year. Once again, you're watching live coverage of the Boxholm Fire Department Fireworks Live in person, everybody. Once again, you're watching live coverage of Boxholm Fire Department's Fireworks Live in person. Boxholm, Iowa, everybody. Once again, you're watching live coverage of the Boxholm, Iowa Boxholm Fireworks live in person, everybody. You're watching live coverage of Boxholm, Iowa fireworks live in person, sponsored by the Boxholm, Iowa Fire Department and Burt Stockhouse. Everybody.